Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will show how to make cookies quick. First, let's get organized. Gathering all your ingredients and equipment beforehand is a huge time saver. Make sure your butter is softened and your eggs are at room temperature. This helps create a smoother, more consistent batter. While you're doing that, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius so it's ready to go when your dough is. Now for the mixing. Start by creaming your softened butter and sugar together for about 2 minutes. You want it to be light and fluffy, which incorporates air for a tender cookie. Next, add your eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition to ensure everything is well combined. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing only until they are just incorporated. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, and we want them perfectly soft. It's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto baking sheets, making sure to space them about 2 inches apart to prevent them from merging. Bake them in your preheated oven for just 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know they're done when the edges are lightly golden brown. Once out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. This helps them set without breaking. Want to make it even faster? A cookie scoop is your best friend for quick, uniform portioning. If you're really pressed for time, you can skip chilling the dough entirely or just chill it for a quick 15 minutes to help prevent spreading. For future cravings, prepare a larger batch of dough and freeze the extra portions. Then, you can bake fresh, warm cookies in a flash whenever the mood strikes, making quick cookies a regular treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.